Hello friends, welcome back to Jasmine's Rasoi, home for mom-made food. What is this? This is not a regular omelette, okay? So here we have a special Spanish omelette cooked very well, and let's all get to our kitchen and cook a Spanish omelette. And please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Now take a pan and add 1/4 cup oil and 1 cup chopped onions. Fry for 1 minute on medium flame. And now add 1 cup potatoes and 1 cup cabbage. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half teaspoon salt. Cover the lid and cook on low flame for 7 minutes. Keep this aside and keep it cool for some time. Now take 4 eggs and pour the eggs in the potatoes. Now add few coriander leaves and green chilies and pudina if needed, and 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients well and our omelette mixture is ready. Put a pan and take about 2 tablespoon oil. Pour half of the mixture. Spread the mozzarella cheese on the omelette. Cheese can be as per your taste. You can increase the cheese. Now pour the remaining mixture. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Remember, cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame and flip to the other side. Now it's time to cook on the other side, so cook it on a low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Gently put it to the other side and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. So now let us transfer it to a plate, and we have our Jabardast Spanish omelette. Let's cut and see it. So here we have cheesy Spanish omelette, which is very tasty, and hope you all like this recipe and try this out and post your valuable comments in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.